He just did like a week ago, 2 weeks ago.
I don't know what
Todd has it. You can friend Todd.
Yeah, I friended Todd.
Yeah, I sent Jim all my
Everyone was
contacts.
surprised to see you there.
Oh, my.
Everybody was.
Yeah, I may deactivate it though.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Holy cow. Take the bag to Dad. Is there anything in there?
Yeah?
Take it to Dad.
Bring it over here, bud.
Take that to Dad. Where's Dad?
What do you think that is?
Oscar, take it to Dad.
I'm curious to see what it is. It's a prescription.
Drop it on your tongue.
Take that to Dad.
So I'm excited.
This isn't Dad. Take it. Where's your dad?
Where's Dad? Oscar?
Oscar, bring it over here, bud.
Bring that to Dad. He's like, no, I just want to play in this paper.
Emma, could you toss it to me, please?
Oh, wow.
Wow.